Okay. For today's video is we're going to make a mashed potato, but first and foremost, we're going to wash our potato like this. We're going to be washing our potato, our squash, I mean, squash potato. So I'm going to make dessert. A dessert for every meal. Ayan. Galing po sa ating Hardin ito. Si Hardin ni Mama Rose. Wow. Wow, it's such a boil. Di ba? Let's cover it. And so, malinis po ito ha. Baka kala nyo marumi. Gawa tayo ng kalabaza. So, yun, gamit ang ating baso para smash. Okay, so we have here the cream din sada and lasa crema asada. Ayan, so let's pour. And then let's mix. In a saucepan, we have here we're going to boil water. And then we have here the glutinous rice. Let's put the glutinous rice. Ayan, ilagay na natin lahat. And then we have to stir it. Stir it continuously. Ayan, so we can see that it's lumalapot. And ayan, let's add our glutinous rice. And let's mix our glutinous rice. Another milk. Mix it again. And so let's put it into. And so we're going to transfer it. There we go. And then we're going to put it in a fridge. Yeah. And oh, it's yummy. Ready for your dessert. Ayan, so guys, I'm here and we're ready for our squash, our smashed squash. So let's try it. And so healthy. It's gonna be a dessert. Yeah. And if you're going to put it in the refrigerator, it will thicken. Well, if you want to, please subscribe, share, comment on our YouTube channel, Papi Chanigatawa. Thank you for watching.